Hello guys, excuse me for my loud behind dog in the background, he's barking. Yep, see that was him right there. Jackson, hush! I don't know what his issue is today. He's just barking a lot. Yeah, so today, I really don't have much for a video. I'm just, I don't know. I mean, I guess today might just be a vlog day of what all might happen. I mean, I don't know much. I mean, I don't know. I have to see what comes as the day goes. But I did pronounce the giveaway winner the other day in one of my videos. I posted it, and I believe y'all watched it. I tried contacting him on Instagram. I'm waiting to see if I hear a response from him. If I don't hear a response from him, I'm going to, I guess, have to do it again and figure out how to try to find another winner. Yes, I know y'all probably going to ask me, why do I have one sock on one foot and one sock not on one foot? Don't ask me. My toes messed up. I had to keep it bandaged, and I had to wear a sock over the bandage. Just leave it at that. Yeah, it's starting to get that weather. Hunt season's about to be in. So y'all got to get ready. There's about to be a whole bunch of hunting videos. I'm not sure when squirrel season comes in, but it's coming in sometime soon. I've already saw some hunting videos going up. So, darn it, he won't hush. I'm gonna walk around this way, so maybe he won't see me. He'll shut up. He figured out what I was doing. Yes, I mean, I don't really have much planned for today. I guess it's just gonna be a vlog kind of day. I don't know, I have to see what all comes as we go. Who knows? Yeah. There is going to be some truck updates coming on here. I know I ain't posting those really. But I will have some of those coming up. My videos might start getting posted later. I won't, or I might not be posting as many as I used to. School started. It's harder to get a video in and then edit it and then get it posted. So I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna do everything I can to get a video up at a decent time. I'll probably start having them up no later than 11. No, I'm gonna say no later than 6 o'clock, so y'all will have time to watch them. Yeah. I thank everybody who's watched my channel. I thank every last one of y'all. I thank all my subscribers. I've noticed I lost 2 the past couple of days, but it's okay. We're still holding it strong. I'm trying everything I can. I'm trying to post as many videos as I can. Like I said though, my upload schedule might not be as good as it used to be anymore. So I guess I'm gonna go over my bike right now as something to do. Give it 1 second, the dog's gonna start barking again. What I took. Darn. So, it's a mongoose hatchet. I did the other day, I didn't get it on video. I fixed the front fork. Now my suspension works. I don't know how well that worked, but it's worked. I had to fix my back inner tube. Noticed it had a leak. Slime, that green slime stuff you buy at Walmart. Good stuff to fix a tire. The whole inner tube was dry rotted. I put that slime in it. Works like charm. It hasn't went flat, I don't think yet. My gear shifter currently does not work. So I will be doing a video on how to fix a bicycle's gear shifter, which I know how to. It's just getting the time to do it. That might be in one of my videos this week. I know I've been saying I was going to get to the video of me taking off my lawnmower motor. Sorry about that. And I do have sponsors that is sponsoring my channel. I forgot to tell y'all that. You go to on Instagram, they got really good, I know I don't talk about my sponsors much, but go on Instagram and look up Bass USA. They have really good stickers, shirts. I mean, really good company. Y'all should definitely go check them out. Go back and watch one of my videos. I think it's an update coming for my channel. I believe I think that was the one where I posted the picture where update for my channel. Go watch that video. You'll see the sticker they sent me. I know I didn't do the best job putting it on there, have bubbles in it, but I'm going to be going and trying to fix that. So, y'all, I definitely want y'all to go check out their channel. Really good channel. I mean, but yeah. So, pretty much I'm going to be sometimes showing y'all how to fix a gear shifter. Mainly all you do is you come in here. Sometimes these wires, why ain't it focusing? About time for a new camera. Sometimes you gotta loosen these wires. Sometimes these are froze up, which I think is the issue with. No, it ain't froze up. I think this here's just too loose. So, I mean, I'll do that. And maybe because of that crack. End up hitting the button on the camera. See that? Might be that. It might be anything. Who knows? I mean, if anything, I'll cut all the wires and let it just be. Let it be it. I mean, I may even just take this off. Control the front. You know what? That's what I'm going to do today's video on. I'm going to have to go change clothes real quick. I'm going to show y'all how to cut this off and take this apart. Right here. I'm going to show you how to take this off. Because, I mean, really, I only need these gears. Best gears you can have. Low, medium, and high. All these gears back here. I mean, yeah, they're good gears, but why have them? No. The heck with them. So, I will be doing that today. So, stay tuned for that. Well, I'll be back in just a second. I'm going to go put on some work clothes so I don't get some new clothes, because I got a brand new shirt on today. Yep, I gave up, went and bought some new clothes. My mom was getting mad at me for wearing all my good clothes out fishing. My favorite thing to do. And I found another new pond, lake, ponds, all kinds of stuff to go fish. I forgot to get it on film. Caught a big old catfish out one of the ponds. I'm gonna start posting overnight videos and overnight staying out there, catching some big catfish. I'm gonna start posting that. I mean, we got some bangers coming out soon, some good ones. Y'all just have to, bear with me. I'm sorry. I know I haven't posted in at least a week. Oh my God, but dang it, the light just got sucky in here. There we go. But I'm definitely gonna start putting out some better videos. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have one tomorrow too. So y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'll be back in just a second with taking this off and showing y'all how to do it. Guys, I'm back and I'm pretty sure I got all the tools I need, and I brought the bike outside. Pretty sure this is all I should need. Get down here. We're gonna take these wire snaps. Just bear with me. My dog will be quiet in about a few minutes. He'll go lay down or something, I hope. Alright, so we're gonna snip that wire. thought we was. Hey, I didn't bring these for no reason. Uh-oh. They ain't open it. Hold on a second. Uh-oh. I think they're open. Yep. Yeah. And you can tell. Yeah. And you can tell I sent out wearing two halves. One half. No. Two half. Alright. Now we have to go to the other side. Hold it. Oh, heck. Yeah. I don't think it's got anything in it. Okay, well, we're going to have to kind of look at that and find out what we can do. I just realized on this one that it's connected all the way around it. So we're going to have to do a little something about that. But we'll worry about that once we pop it loose. All I have to do is bring it down out this side and it should come right off. Right, yeah. We're going to hope. Now we're going to walk over here. And now we're going to come right here. See that screw? It ain't turning the easiest. Oh, guys, I gotta move the bike around. Alright. Yeah, guys, still there? Yes. Now I'm going to try. I'm wearing my hat. I'm working with right here. Alright. We're gonna try busting this loose. I'll catch y'all guys in a second after I bust this loose. Hey guys, I'm sorry about the wind noise. It is a very windy day. Okay, so I busted that loose. Now I'm just unscrewing it. What did we do? There it went. So now, I'm just going to take it like this. I'll lay it down over there. I'll walk over here. And I'm going to pull it, I hope, right off. It ain't working like I thought it was. Oh, guys. Oh, we gotta work with something now. Actually, I might be able to pop this loose. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. So what I did is I cut that. It's not as hard as you think it is. All I did was took those and I sliced it. Now I'm just trying to take it off. Ta-da! Now look, there's no gear shifter up here. That's one less thing you gotta worry about. Now y'all are probably wondering, so what do we do about the wire? Well guys, let me show y'all what to do about that too. We're going to take it all off. Okay, well, I'll catch y'all in a second again after I try to do this. Oh, I'm still recording. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. I forgot which one it is. Seems like it's locked in pretty good right there. Oh no, it ain't no lock. So once you pop it all out, then you come right here. And you just unscrew this. Then you see you come to this little thing. I don't know if y'all want to keep that piece on or if you don't. Well, I'm going to leave it on there for looks. Put it that way. So then, like, unlock this. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to slice it. Uh-oh. I'll catch y'all in a second, guys. Then once you cut it, it just falls right off. See y'all? Now I am going to keep it so if I ever need it, go ahead, go in here and let it set it down somewhere. I know y'all probably ain't going to be able to see nothing, but I'm going to set that right down my toolbox right this second. Had to open my door. And I'm going to set it right there on that old dog thing. Right this second. Slide that right there. Well, now let me go get my tools and put up my tools. So that's pretty much all you have to do. You just snip and snippety dip dip dip. Then you're left with this thing. But see, it was a clean cut, really. See, and all I did was take the little yellow thing, and it wasn't hard at all. I thought it was going to take a lot of pressure, but it really didn't. And that's all I did. Snipped it right off. It's better than taking all that apart. I was going to get it. I thought I was going to take a Dremel tool to do it, but I just take the little yellow things, barely squeeze it, got slack. I was like, uh-oh, there it went. I could have filmed y'all and done it. But, okay. Now, my tools. These things are old too. Them things is rusty. So, I mean, it don't take much to do it. Feel myself, you lied about that. You didn't? Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. I very much did. I'll stick this over here. Back in there. Stick those back in there. That's all done now. Shove it closed. And let me show y'all how to work. Hold on, it ain't focusing for nothing. There we go. Show y'all how to work this back piece. Alright. So all you do is you squeeze this in. See how it gets the chain release? And you set it on what gear you want. You let it do that again. Next thing you know, you're good to go. Well, that's, I guess, pretty much all I have for y'all guys today. I mean, hopefully, I'm pretty sure I'll post tomorrow. For sure I will. So, I guess I'll see y'all in the tomorrow's video, hopefully. Or if not tomorrow, I will post on the next day. That's pretty much all I have for y'all. Show y'all how to take off the front, I guess, gear shifter. Make it hand style, so you can put it in whatever gear you want it in, faster, lower, I mean, anything. What I plan on doing now is going for a ride on, make sure everything works. So, see y'all. Remember to like and subscribe, please. I mean, like and subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell so you can see new videos. Stay tuned for the truck videos, the lawnmower videos. I mean, there's going to be all kinds of videos. Fishing videos. Catfishing videos. Maybe even turtles. I mean, there's no telling. So, I guess I'll catch y'all in the next video.